Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah.
You're a big girl.
Go see Daddy. Go see Daddy.
Good job.
Hey, Violet. Come here, boo.
Put that out of your mouth, you goose.
Silly. What do you have that in your mouth for? Are you eating Mommy's phone?
Good job.
Oops. Oops.
Will you hand that to Daddy?
You give that to Dada.
Will you give me the phone? Will you give me the phone?
Under your foot.
Will you get that? Hand that to Dada. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Thank you. I'll take that. I want that too, though. Oh, you're gonna try to walk all the way? Oh.
Good job.
Can you show that to Popsy?